Hello and welcome back to my channel, Web and Apps with Edith. Today the tutorial is all about installing Visual Studio Code in Windows 10. Let's get started. You need to open a Chrome browser and go and write VS Code into it. The first link that appears, click on it and you can find Download for Windows mentioned. Click on it and you can see a download which has come on the left hand side bottom and it is downloading. It will take some time for it to complete. When I click on the downloads on the right hand top, you can see a window that is appearing, that is download Visual Studio Code. Here you can download Windows version also, you can download Linux version or you can download the Mac version. Whichever version you require, just need to click on the specific thing and it will be downloaded. You can see on the left hand side bottom, our download has been completed and is ready to be launched. We just need to click on it for it to launch. So I'm just clicking and the window will pop up for the launching of VS Code. I need to accept the agreement. I'll click on I accept and I'll do a next. You need to browse to the particular section where you want it to store. Do next. Do next. And here the installation begins. And it's done and it will come a finish. Or you want to launch the current thing, click on launch and finish. Our VS Code editor is up and is visible for us. You can see the version which is released is in September 2021. See onto the terminal window the path where it has been saved. It has come. A new file in VS Code, you need to click on the new file and the new file will open.